Now to assemble the bracket. Remove the front flap and start assembling the handle. There are these black plugs inside the interface, so remove them all and take them out and keep them safe. Now line it and turn it to the right to tighten. Then try to pull it off. If you can't pull it off, it is installed. If you need to take the handle off, twist it to the left. If it's loose, you can take it off. The pipe goes in this groove. And then we put this back on. Red is the emergency switch. Here's the key switch. First, open the cover of the water filling hole and the overflow hole. The water filling funnel is arranged on the water filling hole. And then we add water to it. When the overflow hole water, it means that the tank is full. You can stop adding water now. Unscrew the funnel and close the overflow hole. Screw back the cover of the water filling hole. The third hole is the water change hole. In order to avoid water deterioration, customers are advised to change the water once every 2 months. The steps of water change: first open the water adding hole, and then open the water discharging hole, and the water will be discharged naturally. This is only necessary when the water is released. The drain hole must be covered when adding water. Now look at the standard accessories of the instrument. This is an eye patch for the clinician, glasses worn by the operator. These are replacement probes. Full switch. There are 3 cans of laser heads. 1064 tattoo with dark blue and black pigment. 532 operation red, brown, freckle and so on. Black face doll probes are mainly used to whiten and shrink pores. The foot switch is installed here. Now demonstrate the installation of the laser probe, mounted by rotating it. Plug in the power cord and turn on the power switch. Key switch: turn counterclockwise is off, turn clockwise is on. The red button is an emergency switch, which can be turned off after pressing, and can be restored by turning clockwise. Click the button to start. Function selection interface. The one on the right is the laser handle. The one on the left is the 808小时 handle. Parameter selection interface. Area size. Selection set. Choose color. Click position. Now for the hair removal interface. If you want to switch to the skin rejuvenation screen, click on the SHR screen. This regulates the pulse width, regulating frequency, regulating energy intensity. Now in a state of readiness, click Cancel again. Open the refrigeration is 100%. Under normal circumstances, the refrigeration should be turned on for clinical use. It's off at 0%. You can see that the handle lights up yellow when we turn the cooling on. Indicates that the cooling is enabled. This is the water flow. Machine temperature. Record the number of times each laser output. In the ready state, press the trigger button of the handle to release the laser. Now demonstrate. This is the light outlet. Cancel if no operation is performed. The waxing interface is the same. Here is the pulse width setting, frequency setting. Click here to prepare. The following are the same. Click here to return to the main screen. Click here again to enter and select the laser handle. This place sets the power level. The highest can go up to 2000. Clinical recommendations from 500 to 1000. Set the frequency. Novice operation recommended 3 start. Skill advice 7 start. Later, it is adjusted according to the customer's method. Temperature. Click the green button after setting the parameters. It is currently in a ready state. Clicking the red button is cancel. To cooperate with the full switch operation to have the output. Here is the number of times each output of the laser is recorded. After canceling, click here to exit the screen. Clinical operation. Set the energy and frequency to suit you. 74. And then click Prepare. When it's ready, the handle starts cooling. When it feels cold, start clinic. Take the arm as an example. Shave the hair on the operating part of the arm. Then apply gel. The gel must cover the operating part. Evenly spread. The outlet needs to close to the skin. Move back and forth to operate. Press the handle button to start moving. If the energy is very low during operation does not feel warm, you can increase the energy appropriately. During the process, the hair follicles will be slightly raised, and the skin will be red. Hair removal only works when this effect is achieved. Once every 28 days, 3到5 times a course of treatment for hair removal. Once every 20 days for skin rejuvenation. 3到5 times a course of treatment. 15 to 20分钟 use per operation. It is normal to feel warmth and tingling during hair removal. When removing hair in a small area, it is recommended to set the frequency below 3, because the part is small and inconvenient to move. Operate with a stamp action. Hair removal demo ends. Residual gel should be wiped off and clean the treatment part.
开始进行纹身去除的演示。选择手柄，设置参数、频率，点准备。安装需要操作去纹身的探头。对准纹路之后，踩下脚踏，输出能量。 第一次打完之后呢，不会清得很干净，等皮肤结痂修复之后进行第二次疗程。现在演示黑氧巴拔的操作，替换焊头，涂抹上碳粉。将我们涂抹碳粉的区域全部打掉即可。如果能量太弱，我们可以增加到600、700进行操作。现在黑氧巴拔的演示到这里。操作结束后，将烫头拧下，残留的碳粉使用纸巾和酒精棉进行清洁。